Hi everyone, welcome to Yoga with Traveling Umi. Today we have special guests here to do some chair yoga with us. So chair yoga is for beginners as well as seniors or people that can't get out of the chair or maybe have an injury or anything. So we're going to start today. If you have a chair that has no arms, that's great, but if you have arms on your chair, that's fine as well. Okay, roll those shoulders back. And we're going to take our right, going to the right side. We're going to extend our left arm out. Just feel a gentle tug here. And if you want to go a little deeper, you can take your right hand and lift it and place it gently on your ear. Not pulling or tugging. Let's take a cleansing breath here. Breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth with a sigh. Breathing in. Okay, slowly move your hand. Bring our heads up, and then we're going to go to the other side. Stretching now your right arm out. If you want to go a little deeper, extending your left arm, placing it gently on your head, sitting up nice and tall. Okay, we're going to come out of that slowly, bring your arms down, and we're going to do a seated cat-cow. So let's sit up tall, nice and tall, breathing in here. And we're going to extend forward, extending our chest out and look up. And then we're going to move our hands forward as we curl our heads in, breathing out. Go with your breath, breathing in, up, pushing your hands forward and rounding a couple more times. Last one. Now we're going to move into a side bend. So first, let's take our right hand. If you can, cross it over your body. Hold on to a part of your chair if you can. If not, you can just lay it across your body. We're going to extend our left hand up. And we're going to hold on there and bend over. Don't worry about how far you go. Come up. Use that chair if you're holding on to pull you up. We're going to do a twist. You can hold both hands here. If you can reach your hand behind you. If not, just keep both hands here. We're going to look behind us. Okay, we're going to come back around. And let's go to the other side. So now take your left hand, put it on the bottom of your chair if you can. If not, just have it in front of you. We're going to extend our right arm up. We're going to lean over. And remember, it doesn't matter how far you go. Just stretching our bodies here. And bring the arm down. We're going to do a twist. So it's two options for your twist. You can put your hands just both on the side and twist around like that, or you can put your hand on the back of your chair and twist. Looking over your shoulder. Okay, we're going to slowly come out of our twist. So put your arms down by your side. We're gonna reach up, breathing in. I'm gonna bring our hands back down. Okay, we're gonna reach up one more time. This time, let's bring our hands together, slowly down to a prayer in front of us. And this time, if you can fold over. If not, just fold as much as you can. So we're gonna kind of separate our feet here. This time we're gonna reach up, and we're gonna come forward and down. Come wherever is comfortable for you. And if you can't come all the way down, just fold. Bring your hands in front of you. So if you're folded all the way over, you can touch the floor, you can touch your ankles, you can even have your hands on your knees folding over. And so then we're gonna come and do a halfway lift, lifting up. If you're on the floor, you can lift up like this, look up. And if your hands are on your knees, just lift up, straightening your back. And then let's everyone fold back over or wherever you were before. And let's drop the head a little. Wherever you are, you can just drop your head, tuck your chin to your chest, and then slowly rolling up, inch by inch. And then slowly roll up. And let's do that sequence one more time. So remember where you were, wherever is comfortable for you. Do not go past your comfort area. We're gonna reach up, folding over. If my guests can show the different variations, I'll go to the ground if one person can keep their hands on their knees. Fold over. Halfway lift from wherever you are. Looking up, folding over one more time, and then we're going to slowly roll back up. Circle your arms back. Okay, you can bring your legs back in. Then we're going to do some ankle rolls. I'm going to start with my right foot. You can start wherever you'd like. And I'm going to show you the different ways my assistants can help. So you can lift your leg up straight in front of you. Or if that is too much on your knees, your legs, you know what you can do. You can actually use your hands to help you. Lift your legs closer to the ground. So Nana, if you can show the closer to the ground one. There you go. I'm gonna lift my leg straight up. And we're gonna just roll our ankle in one direction. Breathing in and out here. Let's switch the direction, go in the opposite way. Okay. Bring that leg back to the ground. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. Nana, you can show the variation. I'm going to lift mine straight up, straight out in front of you. You can use your hands. If you don't want to use your hands, you can just let your leg extend, roll in one direction. And let's switch, go back in the other direction. To the ground. And we're going to do a chair hip opener. So this really helps if you have a chair that does not have arms. If you have a chair that has arms, you can kind of come to the edge of your seat. But we're going to open our legs again. Spread them as wide as is comfortable for you. We're going to come down on our elbows to our knees, or wherever is possible for your body. Breathing here, just opening those hips. Now let's place our right hand on our right knee. If you can get it to go straight, great. If not, you can do what Nana's doing. Just keep your elbow bent, and you want to kind of push your knee open a little bit while using your left elbow to push the other knee open. And looking over your shoulder. Okay, come back to center. Both elbows on your knees. And then we're going to take our left hand and put it on our left knee. And if you can, twist, making that arm straight. If not, keep it bent like Nana is showing. Looking up. Or wherever is comfortable for you to look. Okay, and coming slowly out of that, we're going to come back up, bring our legs in, and just now sit back. We're just going to sit back, let our hands open in front of us. Close our eyes, take a deep breath in, long breath out through the mouth with a sigh. I want to thank you for practicing with me today in this gentle chair yoga. I hope it was beneficial, and if you like this, please leave a comment and subscribe so that we can bring you more of Yoga with Traveling Umi.